Something, would you like orange juice? I am Sotiris Marinis. Now we are in Art Farm, Agroctima Marini, in Megali Madinia, out of Kalamata. Έρχομαι. I was born in a village outside of Kalamata. When I was in primary school, we have no electricity. All my life till 13 years old was in the natural, in the villages. You can imagine how was the life without electricity. My job is electrical mechanical engineer, but I stopped my job some years ago. So I started to build a tree house with the material who I found in the natural, from recycling. Welcome to Art Farm. I am here since 10 years and I start to build this place, and I will try with my poor English to show you what I am doing here. It's an old water well. When I was young, we have a donkey who was going around, but now the donkey, he has vacation. I was working with to give water to the flowers and to the trees. This was my job when I was 10 years old. It's very hard to be a donkey. In this tree, I have a plan to make a tree house, the reception of Art Farm. And I hope that Pete Nelson from Seattle, he will come. He promised to come here to do it together. And I'm waiting for him. Pete, I wait for you. Pame, let's go down. The flowers, now we have spring. Look, we have good flowers here. Look, oh, nice. Many construction here. I built it with a material who I found without to pay nothing. This is very interesting for me. And when I came for first time here, I came since 10 years ago, and there were nothing here. The first hut, I built this hut over there, this tree. Now it's not good, it's kaput. I stayed there only for one summer alone. I saw a dream one night when I was sleeping inside, what to make around. I saw the amphitheater here. Here I built an amphitheater. Here I built the bar. Over there I built a house, big music hall. And all this project to show to the young people, special, how was the life when I was young. There is not big distance from this time till today, but I saw the technology is running away very quickly. I wanted to show you some of the things we used in the time, as I told you before, when I was young. For example, this was the table when I was sitting around with my three sisters and brother, and we are sitting here so small. In 10 days we have figs to eat. This is the place for social events, for example for dancing. Με τα φώτα νησταγμένα και βαριά ξεκινάνε οι νταλίκες στην Αθήνα, στα λιμάνια, στους σταθμούς, στην αγορά. Ό,τι ψάχνεις στη ζωή να βρεις ξεκίνα. Σ' έχω δει πολλές φορές να τριγυρνάς. Πάμε down. I used material I can find in the natural. For example, bamboo in the river near here. I will show you how it is to live in a Greek tree house. Come up if you like. It's nice. Hello, monsieur. How are you? Good. Okay. My mirror is here. Yes. He all the time says me that you grow up. But I say, no, I don't grow up. I stay as I was when I was young. Anyway, I feel young. Here is the place, as you see, simple. I make this with volunteers who came from, we found us from Workway. I built it last year. This material it's called phteri, and we covered it every year around the walls. It's very good smelling, and I cut it from the mountain. Hi, here we are. Yes, it's like a nest for people. Here is an oven. Yes, let's go there. What's a pity? It's empty. One beer, bitte, one whiskey from my friend who came from America. But sorry, nobody's here. Next time, this is Suita, because Suita was good on the time, all time. Look how was building here. A double bed and a bamboo around, another built hut. Ah yes, here is the shower. Hot water from the sun up. We have solar upstairs. Our philosophy is here to save energy. 5 days ago, a friend brought me a lot of material because I have this. I built this new, it's very, very new for tree house. We have a tent and I have to continue this, to finish this. Here, this building, I built it, all this project, I built it, me, with 3 men from Albania, and I'm very happy for those people. There are 4 bedrooms, old style. There is very cool in summer because it's from stone. The other floor over there is a big music hall. Here we are in a closed kitchen. Of course, we have simple things, all the necessaries. We have over there, we have the garden. We have tomatoes, cucumber, aubergine, peppers. I like very much these activities over there. Let's go, πάμε upstairs. We make, it's open kitchen. Sometimes we have cooking lessons. We have another oven here. It's another kind, yes. And this is a place in which we smoke the meat with herbs. For example, look here, fascomilo. Finished, let's go up. If I have to pay everything here, I never finished this project. That's the truth. And I'm thankful, I'm thankful everybody who helped me to do it. And I'm thankful with myself because I found all this material, as you see around, in a place, and a friend told me, take it, because I closed my shop and I don't need it, and I have to put it here. And it's very interesting and very important for me. I want to show to the people who visit us that it's another way for the life, to save energy, to live simple, in small houses, small rooms. The life in the past, as I remember, it was very simple and the people was more joyful, more happy. Ατάκτος ερημένες λύθη μπήκαν σε μία σειρά. The meaning is that it's very important for the life to be every day, every morning laughing, to have a smile in your mouth every morning when a new day comes to your life. Okay. Nice.